Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And when I say good morning, it's because I just woke up and I'm so excited because I'm making money on TikTok Shop right now. It's the new side hustle that I'm absolutely obsessed with. If you guys are new to my channel, this is the Rideshare hub where I talk about different ways to make money. And in the past, well, even now, I still talk about driving for Uber and Lyft and DoorDash and all those things, but there's a really cool new side hustle that anybody can do to get started with TikTok Shop. You don't need a following at all. It does help if you you don't need to be a TikToker, but like if you watch TikTok or you kind of understand like short form video under like 30-second long video clips. If not, it doesn't matter, I can teach you it all. I actually have created a little community that you can join, and there's a bunch of free spots open to join and get free access to and try it out. But anyways, I wanted to just hop on here and give you guys an updated video on how to make money on TikTok Shop. There's a few different ways. I'm making money in both ways, I guess. There's two really ways you can do it. So firstly, let me just sync up my computer here and show you guys exactly what I'm referring to. So I'll just walk you guys through it if you're new to this, or if you just want extra tips and strategies. Like, I watch other people's videos because I'm trying to learn from other people. That's how I learn the best. And then I kind of, put my own spin on it, which I think you guys should too. All right, so firstly, I just wanted to kind of show you guys exactly what TikTok Shop is. So if you just go to TikTok's newsroom, this is what TikTok Shop is. Just really quick, brief background. It's basically when you're scrolling on TikTok, there's all these products now. This looks more like a sponsored post, but there's everyday people promoting products like this. They'll be doing their makeup or trying on a piece of clothing or whatever. And you see this little orange link here? Well, you can click that link and it'll take you to something like this on the right. This is actually showing the breakdown of all the products, but you'll click on here and it'll take you to one product and then you can check out. And they make it here it is. This is actually a better example. This is Revolve. Again, this is a very professional post, but there's a lot of normal everyday people doing this. There'll just be some random girl wearing this and she'll be like, "Ooh, look at this new shirt I got." And then you can click it here. Oh, that's funny. The name is called Dylan. That's my name. You can click it here. It'll take you to this page here. This is exactly what it looks like. And you can buy it here, 79 bucks. And then the customer checks out. They place the order, 79 bucks. Well, the creator, whoever's promoting this, guys, can get anywhere from typically 10 to 30%. It just depends. The seller can set their own commission rate. So let's say it's 79 times 0.3. A lot of times the TikToker or the person making the video will get around $23 per sale. Or if it's less, if it's 10%, it'll be around $8 bucks. Now, that's the first way to make money. I mean, this is just kind of I just explaining to you guys what TikTok Shop is. It's just again, scrolling on your phone and buying products. And you as a TikToker can sell these products or can promote other people's products. And yeah, there's a little shop link in your company's bios, etc. So you can sign up and promote other people's products. Now, the second way to make money is actually creating your own shop, which is, again, I'm doing both. I figured out, I was because I was thinking, if I'm gonna make, a few bucks every time I promote somebody else's product, okay, cool, I made a couple bucks, but imagine all the other people also promoting that product and the shop, how much money they're making every time there's a sale. So I figured, well, why not create my own shop and sell products, and then that way other creators can promote my products for me. Does that make sense? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing both. And the crazy thing is, I've made way more money setting up my own shop, which I honestly did not have high hopes for. I'm just gonna be honest. I've done drop shipping in the past, and it's always taken like so much advertising, so much like I had a I actually still have this clothing store. It's called godcomesfirst.com. And this is a drop shipping store that I have where you know, I design I got people off Fiverr to design these clothing designs. If you guys don't know me, I'm a pretty patriotic and you know, Christian guy, but that's not really important. What is important is this is just a normal Shopify site, right? I have it set up, it's a link. I do get sales, but again, I have to really like promote this. I have to really send, like, the only way I get people to join, to buy these is if I keep like promoting it and getting people to the site. The difference between that and TikTok shop is once I set up my shop on TikTok, I just started getting sales randomly. It was like, it got in the TikTok ecosystem and my views are like pretty low. I'll just go to my actual, this is my site right now that I'm making over, I just have a screenshot of my earnings. This was in a single day. I just took this because I was blown away. This was on April 28th. I got over $1,000 in sales, 37 orders. And look at my views, guys. They're super low. I get 200 views a video. So what I think is happening, this is just my theory, and I think it's kind of insane because I'm most likely gonna create another shop probably next month. This shop is only like 1 month old, if that. I mean, this was actually the first video I posted, yeah, 4/15. It's barely 2 weeks old, and I'm already making over $1,000 a day. Like, it's crazy. So basically, this is the stuff I'm selling dresses, crop tops, or that's a bralette actually, and then like these, you know, kind of like cozy, comfortable, summery. This is a crop top, and the way it works, guys, is I get every time somebody buys this, I will get a little commission, right? I get a little cut, but I don't need to order any inventory. I'm not doing any of the shipping myself. There's no startup cost to sell on TikTok. It's literally $0. Just sign up, start promoting these products. And also, I'm working with a drop shipping company where I don't even need to ship the products either. So it's like, and I only pay, like, let's say, actually, I'll just give you an example. This dress here, for whatever reason, I've sold like 20 of these dresses. This dress, I believe, cost me $9, and I'm selling it for $23. So I'm making like $14 commission. And there's like fees in between, like a few percentage here. So it's like, I'm making more like $10 per sale, but that's just how TikTok is. So you kind of got to set your margins a little bit higher. But I'm making money like on all of these sales. So it's like, this is a good example. Like, these videos only get like 200 views, but somehow it's leading to orders. So what I think is happening is that there's another shop called Addicted. This is a really popular one. They're a big company. I mean, I don't know how big they are, but they obviously have a whole location, 600K followers. Even they don't really have that many views. But anyways, a lot of people do these try on hauls with them and stuff. Wow, that girl is beautiful. Okay. And sorry, I got distracted. And I think what's happening, guys, is that people are like, look at this. They'll click on this video and then, you can buy the pants here. It doesn't show up on desktop for some reason. It's only on the app, but whatever. But then I think once they click on the video, it shows recommended products, and I think it's showing some of my products. Like, you can see, again, this is just a little example, but like, look at this one. If they're linking some of these festivals, or my mind. If they're linking some of these products, my products might show up next to it, but I think because I am posting a lot on my own TikTok, it's like helping I'm getting a lot of clicks on my, not a lot, but like I'm getting a decent amount of clicks on my stuff. So I think it's telling TikTok like, hey, promote this, people like it. So right now it's just kind of on autopilot. Like it just, sales are coming in. I wake up and I see sales. So it's like kind of insane. So again, I have a link below and I walk you through how to set up your whole shop, how to link products, how to basically start your own brand and start making money. If you want to join it, keep in mind, it's still a very new core, like and you can join and get a free trial right now. I'll just show you guys what it looks like, just so you guys are aware. And I'm trying to, you know, be on the same page with making sure I'm really transparent with how it works. So join the TikTok Shop Premium program. You can read my little story if you want. Start your free trial. When you start your free trial, it should show 000 here. I'm only limiting it to like 100 people at first, so if you're too late, you might have to just pay whatever the fee is. But anyways, once you sign up, once you make an account, blah, 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 you have to click this button here, or if you're on your phone, there's like 3 lines right here, and click on the sign in button, and then go to your portal and click on my programs. We had to set all this up, so I'm still getting used to it, but under my programs, I have 2 courses in there right now that you can watch, and they're both around like 40 minutes to an hour worth of content each. The first one, the TikTok Shop one, that's showing you guys how to set up your own shop like this, like how to set up your own store and start selling products. And there's a bunch of different types of niches too you can go after. So obviously you saw I'm going after like women's dresses and like casual women wear, which the reason I did that is because I just thought, you know, who spends the most amount of money online? Women. I personally don't really do any online shopping. I don't know many other dudes who like just scroll and buy stuff online. But kind of one positive thing that came out of my ex-girlfriend or my old relationships is they would buy so much crap online. They would go to this website called Shein, which actually this is super important. I was just telling my friend about this. A lot of people go on this website, Shein, girls, and they will just, wow, they have a lot of ads. They will just scroll and buy stuff and add stuff to their cart. Oh, I didn't even know they sell stuff for dudes. It's probably not very popular because they got 30 other ones for chicks. And they add stuff to their cart and they just scroll, and like, it's like infinite scrolling. It's almost like, well, it's not really infinite, but there's a ton of products. I think that's similar to the way people are using TikTok now, is they can see, but they actually see videos of people wearing the products. And so they add it to their cart. And so I think now my shop is kind of falling into this ecosystem of like women's fashion. So anyways, I just think it's like such a wildly new opportunity that's really cool. Oh, and by the way, when you join my community down below, I actually haven't done this yet, but I will very soon create a Discord group where we can all interact with each other and share each other's shops, and that way we can give feedback with each other. And I will personally be in there giving feedback too, from obviously a successful shop owner. Again, I'll just go back to that shop. Mine, look how many followers I have, guys. 53 followers. 53 followers. And crazy thing is, you don't see my face on here one time. I wanted to keep it that way, where you don't see me, you don't hear my voice ever. There's actually nobody's voices in any of these videos. They're all just little TikTok sounds. And I tell you how to make these videos, how to do it. But yeah, look at that. 53 followers, 1,000 bucks in a day. It's crazy. But yeah, I will be giving feedback, giving advice. And also my new idea too is, once we do have the group chat, I think this is gonna go crazy, is kind of like hacking the TikTok algorithm, TikTok shop algorithm. Because the way it works is you wanna be like one of the shops that's getting recommended. So for instance, let's just say I just posted this video. I would put, or maybe you just posted a video, post that link in the group chat, and all, like, let's say there's like 500 of us, we all go through, say, all right, drop a comment right now. And maybe each member gets, all right, let's do 2 videos each per day. all of a sudden the comments are flooded, there's likes, there's shares, and now all of a sudden, boom, this video, let's say it gets like 10,000 views for all, like we're all just like really successful. That's just my idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm always about trying new strategies. So yeah, obviously you can go in on TikTok and you can get 5,000 followers and you can promote other people's products. In my opinion, setting up your own shop is probably the easier way to go. And because you don't need any following and you don't need any, like, I don't know. That's just how I see it. In full transparency, I do make money on all these sales. Every time, like my profit margins, like I make profit on every sale, but the only thing I've spent money on is the clothes. So I kind of went overboard and I ordered a bunch of clothes. So I probably spent, just in full transparency, I probably spent $300-400 on the clothes. That's really been my only cost, is just buying. I mean, maybe, you know, yeah, I spent a lot because the jeans kind of were expensive, but that's just as full transparency. Like if you want a true accurate estimate, there's no fees to start up the shop, but the only, you know, money I've paid is just like, and I did this shoot at my house with friends, so obviously that stuff's free. But yeah, the clothes I did spend a couple $100 on, just so like you guys know how much money I'm in the hole with. But I'm assuming it's gonna be a worthwhile investment. And also for me, like $300, guys, it's like, I don't go to college anymore. I miss being in college. For me, for me, I treat this as like a class. I know it's crazy, but like I treat this as a learning experience. I'm trying to make money on TikTok Shop. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna test out my marketing skills. Oh, and I did actually pay an editor, by the way, too. I paid an editor $10 to edit compilation clips like this, so I didn't have to do the editing. Again, I went a little overboard. You obviously don't need to do that. You can just edit yourself. They're really easy. I just was like, I always test out how much I can outsource to other people. So I had him edit this one. You can just see I sent him a few clips. And so I paid him like $100 to edit 10 videos. I totally forgot about that. But yeah, for me, it's like $300, $400, $500, whatever I spent on all this. For me, that's like taking a class in college. That's the equivalent I see of it, and I'm learning. And funnily enough, I am already making money from it. So it's like, it's pretty nuts. Yeah, in the first video I posted, I remember I posted this video. I posted this one, and then I remember I posted, I believe it was this one. No, I think I posted these two videos on 4/15. Yeah, this was what it was. 4/15, I posted these two videos. And the next day, yeah. Then the next day at 4/16, I posted this one. And how many views did these ones get? Not very many. Less than 2,500 views total each, in total. I remember after I posted this one, I said, oh my gosh, I just got a sale. But it was before I had even posted this one. So after I posted these two videos, I already got a sale. It was crazy. And then they just started kind of flooding in. So not flooding in, but you know, I'm you know, just doing my best here. $1,000 in a single day. That was, to me, insane. From 2,000 visitors. That's not even that many visitors, but again, TikTok Shop is like pushing those people, because it's not like these videos are going viral. I don't have any viral videos. Like, I always thought, oh, I need a one viral video to make it. No, you don't. You can just spam post. Anyways, join my link below if you want to learn more. Join my community and we can help each other out. And I will be updating with new course material in there. But again, I already break down how to start it all, how to set it all up. Boom, bada bing. Let me know your thoughts with this, guys. And again, I'm totally new to this, so I'm not perfect at it, but it is working for me, and I wanted to just share it, because that's all, honestly, selfishly, I want people to join so I can learn from you guys too, because that's how I learn, is from other people. And if one of you guys starts like a shoe shop or something and you start making crazy money, I'm gonna be like, I'm obviously not gonna steal your idea, but like, I'll put my own twist on it, you know? All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll talk soon.